In this video, we are diving into another essential tool for decision making, SWOT analysis. Imagine you're at a crossroads, faced with critical decisions. It could be in your career, business, or personal life. That's where SWOT analysis comes in handy. First situation. You're at a career crossroads, contemplating a job change. Before making a move, conducting a SWOT analysis can be a game changer. Second situation. Entrepreneurship. Picture yourself launching a startup. It's an exciting venture, but also fraught with challenges. Applying SWOT analysis will help in reaching your goal faster. Third scenario, business expansion. You're a business owner considering expansion. Before taking the leap, a SWOT analysis can be a strategic compass. But how should you conduct a SWOT analysis effectively? SWOT analysis is a structured method that helps you evaluate a situation by examining its internal and external factors. It involves four key components: strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Strengths. These are internal, positive attributes of a person, business, or a situation. When identifying strengths, ask yourself what you excel at, what unique resources you possess, or what advantages you have over others. Example, if you're an individual, your strengths might include skills, experience, or a strong network. In business context, strengths should be a well-established brand, talented employees, or effective processes. List these strengths in the strengths section of your SWOT table. Here's an example of how your SWOT table might look after listing the strengths. Weaknesses. Weaknesses are also internal, but represent areas where there's room for improvement or vulnerabilities. Ask yourself what you lack, where you face challenges, or what could be done better. It's important to be honest and objective. Weaknesses could be limited funding, a lack of certain skills, or an outdated technology infrastructure. List these weaknesses in the weaknesses section of your SWOT table. Here's an example of how your SWOT table might look after listing the weaknesses. Opportunities. Opportunities are external factors that could positively impact your situation. These are potential areas for growth or advantage. To identify opportunities, consider what's happening in the broader environment. Look for emerging trends, market shifts, or unexplored customer segments. Opportunities could be a growing market demand for a particular product or service, a changing regulatory landscape, or advancements in technology. List these opportunities in the opportunities section of your SWOT table. Here's an example of how your SWOT table might look after listing the opportunities. Threats. Threats are external factors that could negatively impact your situation. They represent potential challenges or risks you should be aware of. To identify threats, consider what obstacles could hinder your progress. These might include market competition, economic downturns, changes in regulations, or shifts in consumer preferences. List these threats in the threats section of your SWOT table. Here's an example of what your SWOT table might look after listing the threats. With your SWOT table complete, you'll have a comprehensive view of your situation. Now, you can use this analysis to make informed decisions, leverage your strengths, address weaknesses, seize the opportunities, and prepare for threats. It's a strategic tool that empowers you to navigate various aspects of your life, career, or business. Let's look at a few more examples. First, applying SWOT to the launch of a new product. Applying SWOT to entrepreneurship. Applying SWOT to career planning. Remember, SWOT analysis is your compass for informed decision making. It's a tool that empowers you to leverage strengths, address weaknesses, seize the opportunities, and prepare for threats. If you missed this previous video on problem solving, check it out for even more ways to enhance your decision making prowess.